Good day, everyone. So today we will have your third lesson in Block 9. So we have here a hook with a word problem. What is the time taken to cover a distance of 300 kilometers at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour? What if the speed is increased to 75 kilometers per hour, decreased to 10 kilometers per hour? So we all know that this asking for the time and important given numbers are stated as the speed and the distance that we have in this word problem. So we have here, we are looking for the time taken. So enable for us to get the correct answer for the first question. What is the time taken to cover a distance of 300 kilometers at a speed of 500 kilometer per hour? We need to divide the distance to the speed per hours. So we can see that 300 kilometers divided by 50 kilometers per hour is equal to 6 hours. So meaning we can cover 300 kilometers in 6 hours at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. What if our speed is increased into 75 kilometers per hour? So still, we need to use the 300 kilometers divided by to 75 kilometers per hour, and we got the answer of 4 hours. So we can say that we can cover 300 kilometers in 4 hours at a speed of 75 kilometer per hour. And the last one, it decreased to 10 kilometers per hour. So we need to divide 300 kilometers by 10 kilometers per hour. So if we need to divide it, we got 30 30 hours. So we can cover 300 kilometer in 300 hours at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. So what do you notice with the relation between time and speed? So let's go back. If we will run the speed of 50 kilometers per hour, then we can finish 300 kilometer in 6 hours. But then if it is 75 kilometers, we can cover 300 kilometers in 4 hours. But then if it is 10 kilometers per hour, we can cover the 300 kilometer into 30 hours. So if you will observe the following time and speed, the speed increases, the time taken decrease, and vice versa. So meaning the the more that you have the fastest speed, then the more time or the less time you can cover that exact amount of kilometers. So in short, pag mabilis kang tumakbo, mas makakarating ka kaagad. But then, if ikaw ay mabagal mag-drive, matagal kang darating sa iyong paroroonan. So today, we will learn about inverse proportion. So this would be our aim for today. We will identify proportion with inverse relations and use it to solve problems. So let's have here with a example. 4 people can paint a fence in 3 hours. How long will it take for take 6 people to paint it? Again, 4 people can paint a fence in 3 hours. How long will it take 6 people to paint it? So the first thing we need to do is to write the following into proportional or into ratio. So the first we have 4 people, 4 and 3 for hours equals 6 for people, and we don't know how long or how many hours do we need to take if we have 6 people who will paint that fence. So the first thing we need to do is to multiply our extreme n means directly. So 4 times 3 equals 6 times n. So I put n as unknown number because we don't know already how many is the hours we can spend if we have 6 people in painting. Okay, so let's start solving the following. 6 times 3, that is 12. 6 times n, we cannot multiply a letter into a number, right? So we'll just have 6n. So because we have 12 equals 6n, we cannot say that 6 people can do the fence into 12 hours. So we need to cancel out the 6 to get our correct answer. So we need to divide it both sides by 6. 6 divided by 6, the remaining would be 1. 6 divided by 6, then the answer is 2. So meaning 6 people will take 2 hours to paint the fence. So always remember, when we say inversely proportional when one value decreases at the same rate than the other increases. So unlike the direct, the two quantities that we have compared, both of them are increasing or decreasing. But then in inverse, it is different. One is increasing and the other is decreasing, or the first quantity is decreasing and the other is increasing. So this is example for speed and travel time. Speed and travel time are inversely proportional because faster we go, the shorter the time. So as speed goes up, travel times go down. As the speed goes down, then the travel goes up. So I want you to answer your offline classwork in Sitwork number 3, page 10. So answer only number 1 and 3, so we'll continue with number 4 tomorrow. So that would be all for today. Adios.